The Abrasive Wheels course has been designed to provide the knowledge to enable anyone who uses abrasive wheels or other grinding and cutting tools in their work, including machine operators and the managers and supervisors of these operators, to safely use and inspect different types of abrasive wheels. This course will cover the following aspects: relevant legislation and statutory requirements, hazards and precautions associated with the use of abrasive wheels, characteristics of an abrasive wheel and the types of wheels available, storage and safe handling methods, inspection and methods of testing for damage, specific mounting procedures, abrasive wheel machine components and their functions, personal protective equipment, PPE. This course does not include a practical element, but aims to provide you with the knowledge of the legal requirements for the safe use of abrasive wheels. This includes an awareness of the hazards associated with the use of abrasive wheels and how to prevent them, helping to reduce potential injuries to yourself and others, ultimately leading towards a healthier and safer working environment.